Open house, all agents and buyers welcome on Friday, June 4, 2021 from 9-5, Saturday, June 5, 2021 from 9-5, Sunday, June 6, 2021 from 1-5. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath log cabin is located in the heart of Wares Valley with a fantastic mountain view. Exterior features include wrap-around upper deck, handicap accessible, new hot tub, large lower deck, log swing, log rockers, large storage room/well house, apple, plum and fig trees, garden area, professionally landscaped, extra acreage making this approx. 0.74 acres, room to build garage/lots of level parking. Interior, new stainless steel appliances, wood slate carpet flooring, custom pool table, custom bar, sold fully furnished. Never rented but rental projections from $70,000 to $90,000 range. Square footage from tax record based on partially finished basement. Basement finish.